Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play F123 online. Getting started is straightforward. First, make sure your game is fully updated to the latest version. This ensures compatibility and the best performance. A strong, stable internet connection is absolutely essential for smooth online racing, minimizing lag and disconnections. You can easily access all the online modes directly from the main menu, ready to jump into the action. F123 offers several exciting online modes to explore. You can dive into ranked races, where your performance directly impacts your safety rating and skill level, pushing you to improve. For more relaxed experience, join unranked lobbies. These are perfect for casual racing with friends or just practicing with other players. Don't forget to check out the weekly events and challenges, which often provide unique rewards and fresh competition. Setting up your own online race or joining one is quite simple. You can host a private lobby, allowing you to race exclusively with your invited friends, ensuring a personalized experience. When hosting, you have full control to customize race settings, including the track, weather conditions, and driver assists. Alternatively, you can search for public lobbies, using filters to find races that match your preferred car class or race type, connecting you with a wider community. To truly excel in F123 online, a few strategies can make a big difference. Regular practice is key. Learning each track and perfecting your racing lines will give you a significant edge. Always maintain good sportsmanship on the track to avoid penalties and improve your safety rating, which is crucial for competitive play. Finally, if you're in team-based events, effective communication with your teammates can be the deciding factor between victory and defeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.